If you care about global safety, you need to hear this. Ukraine faces a critical moment. In the early hours of August 27th, a nationwide air raid alert was declared throughout Ukraine. The Ukrainian Air Force reported the takeoff of Russian bombers, leading to missile threats targeting key regions like Kyiv, Chernihiv, and Poltava. Explosions were heard in Kyiv, and missile trajectories indicated a westward movement towards Vinnytsia. Additional missiles were detected south of Mykolaiv and moving towards various regions. By 7 a.m., the air raid alerts began lifting, but the tension remains high. This follows another alert just the night before, highlighting the growing instability. For more updates, subscribe, like, and follow our channel on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Stay informed and stay safe.